In today's video, I'll be showing you how to run an antivirus scan on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down and select Battery and Device Care. Next, you should see the option underneath Memory labeled Device Protection. So just tap on it like that, and then as you can see, it is turned off. So to turn it on, press on this button here, and then you'll be given a prompt asking you if it's okay to turn on. And for your security, device protection will scan for issues each time you install an app. So every time you install something like TikTok or Instagram, your device will scan the app to make sure that it is safe for installation. So if you're happy with that and you agree to that term, just tap on turn on, and then you can choose to scan your phone now. So tap on scan phone, and then wait for your device to scan through your apps and your files. Now, if you have a lot of apps and files, then it might take a while. But if you're just starting the setup and you haven't installed anything else yet, then it won't take too long. So as you can see, mine is going quickly because I don't have a lot on my device. And once it's done, if you have any threads, you'll be given instructions on how to remove them. And if you don't have any, you'll be told no threats found. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.